Okay, nandito ako ngayon sa harap ng hotel na ini-stayan ko. Dito sa malapit sa LA Airport. Ito yung paligid. Ayan, McDonald's. Hindi ako kumain dyan ngayon kasi may kami, voucher. Free meal kami rito. Binabayaran ng company namin. Under renovation sila. Pero okay lang, maganda pa rin naman yung loob. Papasok na ako ngayon. Ayan, malamig dito ngayon eh. Wala pa akong schedule eh. Mga 22 pa yata. Ayan yung Christmas tree sa lobby. Close ko muna. Ayan, eto na. Pumasok na ako. Ayan, ayan yung lobby. Ito naman yung... Did you see your name on the list? Did you see your name on the list?
Yep.
Good
But
for you.
it's not updated.
Yeah, because today during morning I called the office.
Yeah.
They told me that I'm scheduled on 22nd. Just look at the
Good
list
for you in a
tonight.
convenient hotel for a few days and enjoy yourself.
They said just look for my name on the list for tonight, but my name is not there yet. Again.
Well, I'm not sure. My name is here, Sasha Jelic, and blah blah blah. Carnival Glory, and the date is the 20th.
So
That would be like tomorrow.
yeah, I think so.
At what time?
There's a pickup time there, if you notice. There's a specific time for every ship.
Transfer to Long Beach. Be ready 7:30 a.m. Hotel lobby. Shit, I thought I would have a one day in LA.
Today we went to Hollywood. We went to Universal Studio.
Yeah, I'd like to see the. Oh, oops.
I've been there. Okay.
What floor are
It's
you?
my floor.
Mine too.
6.
Do you have the number of the company? I just want to check it out.
It's in your file,
It's in my file. Okay. You can reach them right now in Florida.
No, I don't think so. It's close.
Okay.
Alright. Teka. Ito naman ang kwarto ko. Yan. Pasok na ako. 6:02. What happened? Okay. Ayan. Ito yung CR. Mag-isa lang ako ngayon dito kasi nag-sign on na yung kasama kong kanina umaga. Ako wala pa. Ayan. Ito, ayan. Mag-isa lang ako rito. Saan natin ilaw? Okay. Ayan. Ito yung kama ko. Hindi ko na pinaayos dun sa cabin steward kasi hard time lang sa kanya. May isa malinis. So, yun yung gamit ko. Tapos, ito yung labas. Yun. Patay natin yung ilaw para makita yung labas. Okay. Ayun, ang labas ko. Marami yung mga bintana kasi puro alikabok eh. Nililinis nila yan. Yan, doon na yung city. Ngayon ang gagawin ko magbubukas ng computer. Mag-internet ako. At TV na rin.
Welcome to Los Angeles, and thank you for choosing Holiday Inn LAX Airport. We hope you enjoy your stay with us.
Kunin ko muna yung ano.
Stay in and watch a movie. Press menu now for a complete list of dramas, comedies, and adult movies. There's always something new.
Traveling with the kids.
Put your mind at ease. Press menu and look under guest services for parental controls to block out content.
Okay. Maya-maya matutulog na rin ako.
Press menu now
Kaya,
for a complete list of dramas,
good night.
comedies, and adult movies. There's always something new.
Miss na kita.
Traveling with the kids.